First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been, oh, the way that things have been, oh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, talked to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the... You made me a believer, believer. You break me down and build me up, believer, believer. Hey, I'll let the bullets fly, I'll let them rain. My life, my love, my darling, keep on. You made me a believer, believer.
Welcome to Unit Boost 2025!
It's the best day ever. It's the best day. Sun is shining like it's still water, and I'm just kicking back in my pajamas. I've been singing Hakuna Matata. I'm so happy I didn't even call my mama. I can tell it.
Gusto mo ng freedom, gusto mo ng financial freedom. Kasi pag yan ang inisip mo, gusto mo, yung reason mo, yan yung magdadala sa'yo patungo sa success.
It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever. All my friends are hanging out together. Look outside and I see perfect weather. I can't imagine anything better. Whatever, it's the best day.
Ikaw bilang upline, responsibility mo, paano mo i-educate ang downline. Trabaho ko na maturuan siya, i-guide siya para maintindihan niya ano yung pinasok.
I'm just marching to my own beat, dancing like nobody can.
3 months ko na siyang tinitake, hindi ko na po nararanasan yung mahilo at mawalan ng malay.
It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever. All my friends are hanging out together. Look outside and I see perfect weather. I can't imagine anything better. Whatever.
Sabi ng doktor, maluba daw yung kalagayan ko, bihira ko na ma-survive. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, Lord, ikaw na pumahala sa akin. Sinusuko ko na yung sarili ko sa'yo. Dininig siya ng Lord ng panalangin ko. Sawa ngayon, buhay pa ako. Dahil sa Tao Libet, nadugtungan ko ang buhay ko.
All my friends are hanging out together. I wish that it could be like this forever. I can't imagine anything better. Not ever, it's the best day ever, ever. It's the best day ever, ever. It's the best day ever.
Since ikaw nakadikit na rin dito sa atin ngayon, naniniwala ako, lahat ng tatayo, yayaman sa Tao Elevate!
Brand new, brand new. Brand new, brand new. I blew away the clouds I was standing under.
Naniniwala ka ba sa lahat na pinapangarap mo, sa lahat na nabivision mo, dito mo na makukuha sa Tao Elevate. Sipagan mo, hindi po para sa amin yun, para sa'yo yun. Kasi the moment gumaling ka, naayos yung mindset mo, kahit sinong tao, walang makakapigil sa'yo.
Kami po yung kauna-unahang nagtiwala kay Mentor GL na sumama sa Tao Elevate. Habang buhay pa yung magulang mo, gawin mo na yung lahat na makakaya mo para maipakita mo sa magulang mo yung tagumpay mo.
Magugulat ka na lang isang araw, binibigyan mo na ng magandang buhay ang pamilya mo.